Hello. Thank you so much for watching this video. First and foremost, I wanted to say that. And you're probably wondering why I would even take the time to make a video like this for you. And if I'm completely honest with you, there's a lot of pest business owners that are out there that are busy with the times changing and things like that. Bugs starting to come out, especially now that it's getting warmer. And they're not realizing the amount of businesses out there, right? Especially with the internet. They don't realize how much the internet can bring them more of that pest business. And the only thing that's stopping most of these business owners from doing that is just not knowing who to call, or who the experts are. So the point of this video is just to educate you on what you can do with your website, with your online business, with your online presence and relevance, especially on Google. Google is a powerful tool. And I'm going to give you some tips on how to outrank your opponents, make sure that you're relevant, and that you can actually, see everything that you have to offer on Google. All right, so there are three things that I want to talk to you about today. The first one is going to be content, right? The second one is going to be backlinks, and the third one is going to be citations. Okay, now content. I just want to tell you that your website is really beautiful. I love the orange. That orange color really stands out. The picture of this employee here builds trust with anyone looking, right? It's probably someone local, so they probably know who he is. But unfortunately, Google doesn't care how awesome your website looks, right? The only thing they care about is the content and the keyword power behind that content. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight your content here, and I'm going to see how many words you have here, okay? If it will let me go all the way back down. There it is. All right, so I'm going to copy this and I'm going to put it on my word counter. Let's clear that. All right, you have roughly 277 keywords. Okay. Now, a standard, a good website that Google feels is trustworthy has roughly 15 to 2,000 words. Okay, so you definitely want to add more words there. You are lacking just a little bit. If you were in the thousands, it wouldn't be such a big deal, but Google wants to see the content. That's how they're able to find you, right? So getting some keywords like Lubbock Pest Control, Lubbock Pest Control Texas, Lubbock Texas Pest Control in Lubbock, Texas. Those are keywords that you can implement towards your content here that would help Google find you a lot better. So it's basically they just want to see that you're relevant, right, to what someone is searching for. All right, so if I look at your competitors here, I already have it highlighted. I'm going to copy it here. I'm going to go to the word counter, and they have roughly 464. They're not doing too well either, but it's the relevancy of their topic, right? If they have words like Lubbock Pest Control and things as I was explaining earlier, Google is going to find them more relevant, okay? So the second thing I want to talk to you about is backlinks. So backlinks is just a fancy term for one website referring to another one and the trust that is built between those two, right? The relevancy between those two websites. So unfortunately, Google is a popularity contest, okay? So the more backlinks you have that are relevant to your website, the more power you're going to have behind that, okay? So if I did Google Lubbock Pest Control, the first person that's going to pop up in the organic section is Fox Pest Control. And that's because they have, let's see here, I think I put it on here. They have roughly 117 websites referring back to their website. So a lot of traffic is pushing to their website. As you can see here in the organic traffic, they have 311 people viewing their website a month, okay? And if I look at yours here, Quality Pest Control, you have roughly 4 people, okay? And you have 13 other websites referring back to your website, okay? And the total amount of backlinks on all those 13 are about 99, which is, okay, but it's just, like I said, the power behind those other referring domains. So let's see here. They have roughly 1,200 keywords. If I look at you, you have only 12. And it's, like I said, it's just the relevancy in those keywords. If I click on the organic keywords, just by typing some of these things into your website, you can rank higher with your keywords, right? Like, let's see, Lubbock Pest Control, right? 30 people are Googling that a month. Another Lubbock Pest Control, 30. Let's see. pest control nearby. 350 people are Googling that. So if you were just to implement some of these keywords into your website, you definitely rank higher, okay? And then the last thing I want to talk to you about is citations, okay? So this is the most important part here, and the citations are key to being on this Google Map Pack, okay? Now, they're number one for a reason. It could be that their website is in hundreds of citations, and citations is, if you're wondering what that is just another word for a directory. So where you can find your website on a directory like Home Advisor, Yelp, Angie's List, Yellow Pages, White Pages, things like that. If you were able to just put your website onto those places, you could outrank your opponent here, and you'd show up in the top 3 of the Google Map Pack, okay? And as you can see, there's a lot of traffic that goes through here. I honestly don't even go past the first page whenever I'm Googling something, and I usually just press something here in the Map Pack. So with that being said, you have 2 options, right? So you can implement all these tips on your own by entering your citations in all these directories, by making sure that your backlinks are with you're using your competitors' backlinks as well. This tool, Ahrefs, I pay for it, but you know, I'm in the industry. But if you wanted to Google, you know, a backlink searcher or keyword searcher, things like that, you could definitely do it. And the good thing about it, here's the good thing, okay? If these backlinks work for your competitor, they're going to work for you, okay? And they're going to help you outrank your competitor. You can take that #1 spot so that you can get all those customers, right? Bring in more revenue and helping your business grow. And you can implement these yourself. I mean, it does take time. It does take a little bit of effort for you to go into all these referring domains. They have 117. So if you wanted to look at each one and put your business in each one of these websites, you can definitely do it. I mean, there's nothing stopping you. Or here's option 2. You can hire someone to do these things for you. I know it's getting busy. I mean, you're probably short on time. You know, all this other time you probably have to spend with family, with friends, things like that when you're not at work. And I completely understand that. If you wanted to reach out to me, you can definitely do that. If you wanted to outsource someone else, you could definitely do that. Or like I said, you can do it all yourself. This is just an educational video showing you how you can improve online and just be more relevant. Okay. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, to shoot me an email and just respond to this. Once again, I just want to thank you for watching this video, and have a wonderful day.